Have you ever felt like the world was built against you? That your dreams were too big for the walls of your home? In a corner of the world forgotten by time lived a boy named Ali. His village was small, but his heart was boundless. Ali's family lived in a single-room hut. They didn't have much, but they had each other and a faith that never wavered. While other children his age played, Ali's hands were already calloused from the hard labor required to support his family. There were nights when the only thing Ali went to bed with was a prayer and an empty stomach. Poverty was a shadow that never left. He would watch the school bus pass by every morning, clutching his tools while others held their books. The hunger for knowledge was deeper than the hunger for food. The village was small, and so were the minds of some who lived there. They called him the beggar with dreams. Their laughter cut deeper than the thorns in the field. They told him he was born in the dirt and would die in the dirt. But Ali had a secret. He knew that words only have power if you let them. He chose to listen to a different voice, the one inside him. He started collecting discarded newspapers, old manuals, anything with words on it. He became a scavenger for knowledge. When the work was done and the stars were out, his real day began. He taught himself to read, letter by letter, word by word. The dirt floor was his notebook. The moonlight was his lamp. He was building a kingdom in his mind while the world saw only a shack. Eventually, he saved enough to take a bus to the city. He took the hardest jobs, sweeping floors, washing dishes, just to be near the libraries. In the city library, he found a universe. He spent every spare minute learning skills, coding, management, history. He discovered the internet. He watched thousands of educational videos, transforming himself from a laborer into a student of the world. But success isn't a straight line. His first business idea failed. His first 10 job applications were rejected. The city felt as cold as the village. There was a moment when he sat in the rain wondering if those village boys were right. Was he just chasing a ghost? That is the moment where most people stop. But Ali remembered his mother's prayers and his father's sacrifice. He didn't give up. He worked 3 jobs. He slept 4 hours. He refined his skills, fixed his mistakes, and tried again and again and again. His persistence caught the eye of a tech entrepreneur. He wasn't looking for a degree. He was looking for the fire he saw in Ali's eyes. Ali was given a chance, a small window. He didn't just walk through it, he burst through it, working harder than anyone had ever seen. Slowly, the years of night study began to pay off. He solved problems others couldn't. He saw opportunities others missed. The poor boy from the hut was becoming a leader. He stayed humble, remembering every cold night and every hungry morning. He reached the summit. Financial stability, respect, and a career he once only saw in stolen books were finally his. But Ali knew that true success isn't about how high you climb, but how many people you bring up with you. He went back. He built a home for his parents. He replaced the mud walls with stone and the thatched roof with safety and comfort. Then he built the one thing he missed most, a school, a place where every child, no matter their shoes, could have a desk. He filled it with books, computers, and teachers who believed in dreams. He called it the Horizon Academy. He spent his weekends mentoring the youth. He told them, "I was you, I am you, and if I can do it, so can you." He created jobs, built wells, and transformed the village that once mocked him into a village that inspired the nation. The dust hadn't changed, but the destiny had. One boy's dream had become 1,000 children's reality. Ali's story isn't just about money, it's about the power of the human spirit. It's about perseverance when all hope seems lost. Education is the ladder, but your will is the strength to climb it. Never let anyone tell you your dreams are too big for your circumstances. Your current situation is just a chapter, not the whole book. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep believing. Even in the driest ground, a seed of hope can grow into a mighty tree if it is watered with hard work and faith. What is the dream you've been hiding? What is the skill you've been waiting to learn? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Take that first step. Read that first page. Watch that first lesson. Your future self is waiting for you to begin. Have faith in your journey, trust in your hard work, and leave the rest to the Almighty. Opportunities will find those who are ready. In the end, it's not just about changing your life, it's about changing the world for the better, just like Ali. Thank you for watching Ali's journey. May your own journey be filled with courage and success. Never, ever give up.